How to change input on Samsung Smart TV. First of all, get your Samsung TV remote control, then simply press the home button like so. Then you want to scroll to the left hand side until you get to source. So that's going to be your input, it could be the HDMI there. Then you want to press up on the sources section. Then you can scroll along to the right and go into whatever section you want. So if you want a gaming console, you can go ahead and click on PS5 or whatever console you have. All the other different versions there, you have your TV, you have different things within there. So it's going to change the different HDMI inputs for you. So depending on what you want, whether that is a gaming console, whether that's the internet, whether that's TV, all the different options are in the sources section here. That's going to be the input. So you can go ahead and click on them as you wish. You can see it's like a TV channel here. It's the same type of thing. And then you can go ahead and change them again when you go back in here and change the gaming console, etc. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.